Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Sanjana. In today's video, I will be planning for the month of January in my ink bucket planner. I just went ahead and marked down a couple of dates, important dates that I want to put in my calendar, as well as some bills I need to pay along with its dates. So let's get started. For today's plan with me, I'm going to be using some Happy Planner stickers. I think all of them will be from Happy Planner because this has it has like bold colors involved in it, and I don't want to get in a lot of decorative stickers that pulls away from the theme that's going on. So it's all going to be functional. First things first, what I want to mark is some birthdays as well as New Year, and then a couple of things. So yeah, I think first let's mark New Year. I actually have this sticker book as well. This is the Planner Basics sticker book, and there is a New Year sticker in this, New Year's Day. I don't know if this is gonna be too bold for this. I think it should be fine, right? Because I don't have anything else going on that day, so I can just put this entire thing here. I just need to be a bit careful with this because they are not removable. It rips off the paper if I try to take it off. Yep, this looks fine. And then what else is there? It is my niece's birthday on 16th, and I want to use a gold sticker for that. Should I use a gold one, or let's see, either it'll be gold or I want to match the pomegranate one. If you don't have any sticker books and you're planning to buy one, I would highly suggest you to get these colorful boxes. They are the best. I even have a backup book because they always go out of stock very quickly. I think this is a little bit reddish. Let's see with this one. I think this does match. Awesome. I'm gonna use this as well. So let's mark my niece's birthday on 16th. I want to know, what are you guys planning for this new year? Are you planning to go out somewhere or have a virtual party, or just not do anything? Fed up of 2020. I usually don't mind taking it a little bit outside the box. If that bothers you, I understand. I was like that, but of late I've really started to like pull it outside the box and not really worry about crunching everything in, because it's very hard to find the exact size stickers. So I've learned to deal with it. With this, I want to add a birthday sticker. I think she did have some. These don't match, do they? No. So this is the Squad Goals sticker book. There should be some gift boxes. Yes. Yeah, I wanted to use this. These are like usually for Christmas, but you can use it for birthday as well. I want to put it, I think it'll be, she turns 4 on this day. Her name is Myra. It looks a little bit plain. I want to put something here. Let's see if I can add another gift box of this. I could use these stars. Or another gift box. Let's see how this might look. I don't know if these clear stickers are usually not that easy to take off. Does this look good? I think, yeah. Right, the colors match up pretty well. It just pulls in from that fruits and vegetables there. Awesome. I'm gonna add one star here because it just looks a little bit off. Oh no, it doesn't look good. I think I'm okay with that. So what else is there? Okay, on 19th my final semester starts and I will be done. This is honestly, I can't wait for it to get over. I mean, I don't want it to start. I'm really having like a good time in my holidays, but once it starts, I want it to get over fast. I am tired. It's been 2 years and I'm tired. I don't want to use the larger ones. Hold on, I have the backup book here. There must be a green one. Yep, I'm gonna use this for, it starts on 19th. I just want to make sure I don't have anything else going on that day or the next. Last January I used the Homebody sticker book and the planner was pretty plain. It looked really nice. I think I'll be using it sometime. No, it doesn't look good on February. Probably sometime in March. It does go with these colors. That's one of my favorite sticker books. So what do I put? Final sem starts. Awesome, that's done as well. Actually, this is going way quicker than I imagined it to go. I thought I'll take quite some time to figure out what stickers to put. So next is another friend's. I have a friend's birthday on 26th. So for 26th, I have I did take the sticker for that. Yes. I'm just putting it a little bit over on Monday because I have 2 bills to pay, both on 26th and 27th, so I want some space there. And also this friend of mine lives in India, so I will be wishing her on Monday. Put it here. This time I'm gonna write the name first and then put the gift. Let me check if there's a green one or the pink one there. Okay, there's a green one. I actually like the pink one more. Okay, just gonna use the green one. Perfect. And I'm done with marking all the events. Actually, I have one thing to do. Last year I started doing yoga with Adrian's 30-day yoga challenge video, and she usually comes with one 30-day challenge every year. So every day she uploads new videos and then you just follow along. I'm planning to do that this year. 2021's theme is breathe, which I feel is very appropriate. In order to track that, I'm going to be using a habit tracker from Wellness Sticker Book. This is from the Happy Planner as well. Last year I used one, and then I'm going to be using this one. I'm just going to put that here. I want to make sure that I'm marking it like straight. Those lines that goes horizontally are not straight, they're hand drawn. So I'm just going to use this. Awesome. One thing I want to do is check if there is a sticker that has the word breathe that I can add. Let me see in this one. It should be there in this or homebody. Let's see in this. This is one of my favorite sticker books. The colors are really nice. It's totally like, I love all the colors in here. So let's see. Awesome. It's here. I can chop off just and then have breathe, or I think I can add both words. It does sound like it is fine. But do I want to put it here or I think I want to put it here. The upper thing just looks a bit crunched, so I'll put it here. Oh, I like it. I'm happy that I'm pulling in these colors. I really wanted to do that. I'm just gonna write here. By the way, these pens are my favorite. They are the best. They are from Muji. I like both, the one in 0.38 as well as 0.5. They are the best pens in the world. I want to mark my paydays. I get paid for every 2 weeks. This teacher sticker book has amazing payday stickers, which looks really nice. I think the ones in budget looks a bit it doesn't look that great, so I want to use these ones. I've been saving this to start using it in 2021 because yeah, there's just this whole page of stickers. I don't think I'll be using all of them because I get paid alternate weeks, and here there are stickers which you can use every single week. Probably 52 stickers are here, so I want to use this. So I'll be getting paid on 8th. Should I put it here or at the top? I think I'll put it at the top. So if I have something I can put on the box here. The monthly view, I usually set it up at the end of the previous month or at the beginning of the month. And also I add things along as and when it comes up. One sec. Oh my god, I'm adding it on Saturdays. I'm supposed to add it on Fridays. I just put it on Saturdays by mistake, but I get paid on Fridays. So I have my paydays down. And now let's mark. Oh, I love how these stickers look. I love gold foiling. I like gold as well as rose gold foiling. I know some people don't like Like they like either gold or rose gold, but I like both. I don't like silver though. So these are done. What else is left? I have some bills that I want to mark, and for that I'm using stickers from the budget sticker book. There are a bunch of bill pay stickers. Let's see which one to use. See, these are the ones, these are the payday stickers in this book. I feel these look way better. So these are a couple of bill dues that are there. Or there's another type. Let's see. I am planning to set up my 2021 budget goals. Let me know if you want me to upload that video. Right now I don't think I'll be filming it. Just let me know if you want me to. I don't think I'll be sharing real numbers, but I can share what I'm saving for and how I'm planning to save and all of that. I always love watching those kind of videos. Okay, so there are these type of stickers for paying bills, or there are these as well, just the blank ones. There are some here. I don't want to bring in this color. Okay, let's see. I think I'll go with these. So I have, let me see, 1 2 3 4 bills to pay. I think I want to get more of this color because there's a lot of green going on. I have one that I have to pay on 9th. And I usually pay my bills whenever it comes out. I don't wait for the due date. So I have one on 9th and then one on 21st. Okay. And then I have it on 26th as well as 27th. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. Let me see. Okay. The Happy Planner ones usually are not removable stickers, but then if it's not too long, since you have laid it down, you can take it off. Just be a bit careful while you're pulling the stickers up because you might end up ripping it off. So one would go here and the other. I think I'm actually done with this spread. As I mentioned before, I will add more things as and when the month goes along, so I don't want to add too many stickers now itself. And I have this spread for like the monthly overview. Let me know if you want me to do it on camera even for this one. As of now, I am not planning to, but if you want me to, I can do it. Also, let me know if you want me to do the budgeting goals one on camera. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.